Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best car door edge guards on Amazon. Opening and closing your car doors can be a pain in a parking lot. You have to be extra careful to not hit the vehicle next to you. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Winspections Car Door Edge Guards. Winspections' brand of trim door guard is developed with a thick strand of rubberized material. This design makes them able to protect your car doors from scratches, paint chips, and even rust. One unique benefit is that they can reduce the amount of noise the doors make when they're being closed. Another plus is that the guards are versatile and can be installed on almost any door, as well as the hood and tailgate. Since they can conform and shape around curves and grooves, the compound clings to the metal or plastic snugly and securely without glue or tape. Strong metal clasps help to grip the ends of the strand to ensure it won't fall off when you open or close the doors. Number 2. Cloudbuyer Car Door Edge Guards. The Cloudbuyer Car Door Edge Guards are a direct replacement and easy to install. Simply push the rubber seal into place. Since they are a universal fit, they are compatible with most vehicles. The edge guards are 33 feet long and 0.8 inches thick and are designed to prevent chips, nicks, and scratches. They are also resistant to corrosion, UV rays, and high temperatures. One of the best things about this product is that no glue is required. The edge guards are very flexible, stay in place, and don't scratch your vehicle's paint during installation. They are weather-tight, and the metal core makes it easy to use a pair of pliers to make the guards fit even tighter on whatever they are protecting. However, you have to push a bit to get these edge guards into place, and your forearms may get tired during installation. In addition, a rubber mallet is required to do a good job. Number 3. Car Door Edge Guards 32.8 Fort Winspections with Mallet. Winspections car door edge guards are constructed from a high-quality rubber material that is resistant to scratches, dents, and other forms of impact. These U-shaped edge guards provide a cushion barrier between your vehicle's doors and surrounding obstacles, effectively safeguarding against accidental bumps, dings, and chips. Whether you're navigating tight parking spaces or facing the hazards of everyday driving, these edge guards act as a reliable shield, ensuring your car's doors remain in pristine condition. One of the standout features of Winspections car door edge guards is their hassle-free installation process. Unlike other models on the market, these guards require no glue or adhesive. The package includes a mallet, allowing you to easily secure the edge guards in place without the mess or potential damage caused by glue. Within minutes, you'll have a secure, snug fit that will withstand daily use. Number 4. Winspections Car Door Edge Guards. The Winspections car door edge guards come in an eye-catching chrome silver color that adds a touch of sophistication to your vehicle's exterior. The shiny metallic finish not only complements a wide range of vehicle colors but also gives your car a sleek and polished appearance. With these edge guards, you can elevate your vehicle's style and make a statement on the road. These car door edge guards feature a universal U-shaped design, ensuring a perfect fit for sedans, trucks, SUVs, and even ATVs. The flexible molding trim strips can be easily customized to fit the contours of your vehicle's doors, providing maximum coverage and protection. Whether you're driving through tight spaces or parked in a crowded area, these edge guards act as a shield, preventing accidental damage from other car doors or obstacles. Number 5. Edge Trim Black U-Extrusion Plastic Edge Protector. The Edge Trim Black U-Extrusion Plastic Edge Protector is available in several sizes from 5 feet up to 100 feet, so you can purchase the length that works best for your needs. This product features internal metal clips for grip and is very sturdy. It's made of high-quality materials, is very flexible, and is easy to install without requiring adhesive. These durable and protective edge guards have a tight fit, look good, and are of great value. The trim contours over bumps and imperfections as well as corners, and it's very easy to cut and form to the curves of a door. The 25-foot product is enough to fit all of the doors of an SUV, as well as a 4-door sedan. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.